why do you think the overthinking happens? That's the first question. Overthinking happens because you are trying to control every aspect of your trading. So why I don't like systems trading is because systems trading does not let you decide when you want to trade. I always believe that when you want to trade is your decision. But once you have taken a trade, it should not be in your hands when to exit. It should be decided by the markets. So if the markets refuse to follow through on whatever your expectation from that particular market was, you should get out. And that there has to be a system which will take you out of the markets. You need to understand that very, very carefully. So let us continue with this example, right? So let's say you are short here and market continues to one time frame, goes lower, till E period low you are happy. You are making good amount of money. And now the discretion comes in. Now market goes higher and it stays below VWAP, you start rationalizing. No, it might continue lower, this and that. But let's say a simple exit rule of one time framing stopping. E period, F period, G period goes above F period, you are out here. Now if you held on to this trade, next day opens here. Now you are not really sure whether you should add to your position, you should have booked here, or 100 different thoughts will come to your mind. But let's say you shorted here. Here the one time framing is going on. You continue with the trade. Next day one time framing stops, you get out. You make decent chunk of profits. Market goes higher after that. That will only increase your joy because you exited at a very, very good place. In retrospect, okay, if it goes lower the next day, what do? You find another entry. What's the problem here? Who says that this is not like your 10th maths paper where out of 150 you have to score 150, otherwise your parents will not approve. Okay, there are no 150 marks that you have to score. Anywhere you get money, you take it. All right. So if you make say 100, 200 points here, happy. Market goes lower, you miss say 100 points in between, no problem. You make another 100 points, be happy. Who says you have to get everything? You don't have to get everything.